The Rexing V1 Dashcam. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Rexing V1 Dashcam. This dashcam has a nice discreet design along with the 1080p wide-angle lens. The company sent this out for me to review. And as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with your user manual, mounting hardware and 3M tape, a plastic trim tool for running the power cable, and a 12-foot car charger and USB cable. There is also an optional suction mount accessory available if you prefer to use this rather than the 3M adhesive. The V1 has a nice 2.4-inch LCD screen, a 170-degree wide-angle view, and it has some of the standard features in many dashcams with timestamps, loop recording, and collision sensing. It has a working temp of 10 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. You can toggle the video resolution, and it has a max support of 128 gig memory card. The micro SD card is not included. Immediately, you will notice the nice large display. It is made of plastic all around, and you can see the various controls. The front has the mode button, record, microphone on and off, the screen button, OK, and lock button. On the left side, you have the micro SD slot, power, reset, menu, and the lens angle adjustment knob. On the right side, you have the rear camera port, which is an optional accessory. You also have the GPS logger port, also optional, and the mini USB port for attaching to a computer. And the back has the mounting slot and the wide-angle camera lens. Adjusting the camera angle is simple. Just turn the knob until the view is to your liking. As mentioned earlier, you can get the optional suction mount. Whether you're using the suction mount or the 3M type, it just slides right in. The dashcam comes in at 2.5 by 3.5 by roughly 1.6 inches. And it weighs in at about 89 grams. I won't go through all the menu features as everything is detailed in the manual. Pressing the menu on the side, you have access to resolution, loop recording, time-lapse, wide dynamic range, exposure, audio, date stamp, plate number, and gravity sensing options. The general settings, you will find the date and time, auto power off, sounds, language, TV mode, frequency, format, screensaver, shutdown, daylight savings, GPS, time zone, reset, and version options. You can also capture photos by switching modes to camera, and press the mode button to take a picture. Here you can see the resolution options and also the loop recording options. Installing is fairly simple. Here I'm using the suction cup mount and I have not mounted it into a permanent position or run the wires. But this is just for the video demonstration. And you can see here how it looks at nighttime. The buttons are illuminated. So I've included some daytime and nighttime footage. And now my thoughts of the dash cam. I was impressed with the camera overall. The footage is very clear, and at no time I experienced any lag or pixelation. It is very smooth, and the wide angle lens is a definite plus. It performed well during the day and at night. Controls are very intuitive, and going through the menu is simple and easy to understand. I would have liked to seen an app integrated with this so you can easily get the files rather than transferring to a computer. The app is only available for the other models, not the V1. Overall, with the collision sensing, wide angle lens, and the discrete form factor, this dashcam performs. And in my opinion, it's a good option for those that are in a market for a quality dashcam. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.